How to download Millimeter menu app. So in this video I will show you how to download Millimeter menu access so you can get it to play, guys. As you can see, all of my gas bomb are 100% working. My gas bomb right here are 100% working, so I'll show you how to download this Millimeter menu app so you can get it to play. So these are my menu app right here, guys. I am showing you. I am turned on the menu, so if you know, hit that like button and subscribe right now, so I'll show you step by step how to get Millimeter menu hack so you can get it to play, so you can get it quick and easy, guys. This menu hack is 100% working. So these are the menu hack that I finally download, so I'll show you, share it with you in this video. This one is 100%, guys. This is the one I find so far 100% working. So I'll show you. See, this is the menu: unlimited L, unlimited armor, unlimited melee, unlimited flight, unlimited everything that you need in this Millimeter mod. So you can get it to play right here. I am doing a gameplay right here to show you how the menu work. So these are the menu that I download from this Millimeter menu hack right now. So these are the saw gun, everyone. So these are the saw gun. So I turn on the saw gun on my Millimeter gun right now. As you can see, the saw gun is working in there too, everyone. These are my saw guns, so I'll show you everything about this Millimeter menu hack so you can get it to play right away after I show you the details how to download this menu hack. So this menu hack, you can play it, you can play it in any map that you want to play. So I will give you a link to show you how to download this menu hack right now. So I'll show you everything that you need to download this hack right now. So you're going to go to my description, one link going to be there. So I will show you the tutorial in this video. So when you go to my description, you can use this tutorial to download your menu hack right now. So I'm going to show you the menu right now. So this is the link in my description, so you're going to click on that blue button right now. The link, so you click on the link now, guys. So the website is loading up on your phone now, so you click on that link. So this is the website that is loading up now. So wait, it said, so you see that blue arrow, it said wait a few minutes please. That brown thing right there, so it said click on that ads right there. 10 seconds. Read, guys. Click on that link. 10 seconds. So you're going to go back now because it leads you to another link. So it said please wait a few seconds. So you're going to wait a few seconds now. So that is the arrow that I'm pointing on. So it said wait a few seconds. Please wait a few seconds again. You see that brown button? Yes, it said wait a few seconds now. So I'm showing you how to generate the link if you download it now. So you count down now, so you gotta click on verify. So you click on verify now. It says scroll down and open. It says scroll down and click on continue button. That is the blue button down below. So we are scroll down now and click on that blue button to say continue. So you're going to scroll right down. I am scrolling down right now. So I am looking for the button to say continue. It said continue, open, continue. Yes, that is the open, continue now. That is the open, continue. Click ads and wait 20 seconds to unlock the link. So you're going to click on the ads and wait 20 seconds. So 20 seconds I am waiting now. Yes, click on that as it said, wait please 30 seconds. 30 seconds me get. So me say wait please, so we have to wait. So we have to wait patiently. So I am waiting right now. So you have to wait patiently, everyone. Wait patiently. So the timer is going to count down now. Sorry about the noise if you're hearing in my background. So I'm showing you how to download it. So I'm sorry about the noise in my background still, guys, but bear with that. So I said wait, please wait. So a seconds is going to count down now. A second soon count down, everyone. So you can wait under a second. So we scroll down and see where they have to show you. While we scroll down, guys, you're going to look for a link now. So I'm going to scroll down right now to show you the link that I'm going to show you right now. So click on continue. You scroll down right there, so you click continue. You scroll down and you click continue now, guys. So wait, so we wait a few seconds now. So I told we are putting this step right now. We are putting this step right now. My phone battery is slow right now, as you can see. So right here now, guys, unlock link. So you know what we have to go do now? You have to go subscribe to my channel right now. To unlock this last link to download your app now. So now you go scroll back and click on subscribe on my YouTube channel. So when you click on subscribe on my YouTube channel now, the link going to unlock right now. So look how me I gonna do it now, guys. You click subscribe on my YouTube channel now. Yeah, this YouTube channel that you're watching this video on. So you're going to click on subscribe and put it on the notification bell on all. So you click on that subscribe button now. So you will see link unlock now, guys. So you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel to unlock this link. The subscribe is the last details going to come up. After you click on subscribe to my YouTube channel, this is the link now. As you can see, this is the link. So it says scroll down. So I scroll down now, guys. I look for the link. So you have to scroll down and look for the link when you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes. So it says scroll down and download. So you're not going to scroll down and download. So you're going to click on that link right there now, guys. You see it now? You scroll down, you see generate link, download. Yes, so yeah, you say scroll down and wait, guys. So you have to wait until you see generate link. So nothing there, so you go click on generate link right here now. Go to generate link. So go to generate link now. You click on go to generate link. So you say scroll down again, guys. So you scroll down. So you see you have to see download now. So you're going to click on download. You click on download now, guys. Ads is going to pop up too, guys. As you see it, guys, it downloaded from a file now, no, guys. It download now, you know, guys. It download now, guys. See it here, it's going to download from a file now, guys. You see it download from a files? Yes, 100% working, that I am telling you. 100% working.